Okay, salut alle und herzlich willkommen zu einer neuen Folge Red Dead Redemption 2, hier im neuen Lager in Clemens Point. Was haben wir das letzte Mal gemacht? Wir sind in Rhodes die Schulden eingetrieben. Dann sind wir dort auf einen recht skrupellosen Lehrling getroffen, ich glaube, wie hat er geheißen? Gwyn, der dann einfach ein Grab ausgeräumt hat, damit er seine Schulden zahlen kann, oder? Jeden das seine, mir ein bisschen mehr. Dann haben wir, dann sind wir vom Sheriff höchstpersönlich zum Hilfs-Sheriff gekürt worden. Aber ich glaube, dass er sich nicht mehr so groß daran erinnern kann, am nächsten Tag, weil er hat recht einsitzen kann. Dann haben wir die Braithwaite-Familie getroffen. Respektive, wir haben ihre Brennerei in die Luft gejagt. Und dann sind wir wieder zurück ins Lager geritten. Genau. Dort hat uns der Tatsch herausgefordert. Dort haben wir nämlich fast unser Pferd umgebracht, weil wir einfach die besten Ritter sind. Genau. Und darum würde ich sagen, schaffeln wir gar nicht mehr lange drum, sondern machen da. Okay, let's go! Hoi, Molly. Molly?
Yes, Miss O'Shea.
Call me Molly, would you? Arthur, how is Dutch? I mean, how does he seem to you?
I'm about the same as usual, I guess.
I really love him, you know. But if he... Like he always says, loyalty is everything, so...
Arthur! Excuse me, Miss O'Shea.
What you want?
I bring a gift. The great gift of information.
So you got some tip-off, so now I can risk my neck and make you some money while you lounge around.
You know, Arthur, bitterness, it works on the inside as well as on your sour face.
If you say so, you could go find some other fool to run your errands.
Bill, come on over here. Will you be my other fool? You too, Charles.
What are you talking about?
Arthur's above a little stick-up I heard about.
No, I'm not.
You just said...
Hey, I'll do it, as long as you ride with us.
I got a serious medical condition.
Yes, you are a compulsive liar.
No need to be like that. Charles, have I ever lied to you?
I hardly know you.
Exactly. Now, you boys should do this. It's easy, and I'll only take a small commission for my information. But it's now or never.
Then it's never.
Oh, God help me. Fine, I'll do it.
Well, what is it?
It's a supply wagon carrying payroll, but very briefly unguarded, apparently. As it passes through a crossroads near here where there's an old ruined church before it connects with the rest of the wagon train. Very easy pickings.
As long as we get paid or you get shot, I'm happy.
You are a sick man, Arthur Morgan. A very sick man indeed.
Ja. Wir sind ein sick man, aber wenigstens sind wir schlau und wunderschön und bescheiden.
How you get wind of this, old man? We only been down here all of 5 minutes.
Well, while you boys been off fishing or playing lawman or whatever the hell you've been doing, I've been getting down to business.
Finding the nearest grog house.
Hey, you don't want in on this, Williamson, that's fine by me. Do us all a favor. Head home.
Just give it a rest, you two.
Just have a little faith for once, will you? I've been scoping jobs like this since you fellers were knee-high to a grasshopper.
Once a decade, maybe. So what is it you've scoped here exactly?
Well, I told you. There's a wagon with a lockbox passes through every week. They switch outriders just north of here, but the front wagon's by itself for a stretch before the last run down into roads. Okay, hold up here.
We should cover our faces.
They'll be passing through the crossroads up ahead.
When?
Soon, Williamson. Christ's sakes. I should be due any time now.
Let's keep this quiet and clean. Nobody needs to die here.
Hi, Mickey.
There! You see, gentlemen? Just like clockwork.
Überfallen wir die Kutsche, oder?
Stop the wagon! I said stop the damn
Hä?
wagon!
Wieso kann ich nichts machen? Come on.
Now, don't try anything stupid. And we won't do anything unkind.
You know, boys, I don't want to get shot, but this is a mistake. I work for Cornwall Kerosene and Tar, Mr. Leviticus Cornwall.
Oh, great.
So you know him?
Who doesn't?
I hear he's rich enough to share the wealth around and not miss it too much.
Oh, he'll miss it.
Okay, why don't you check out round the back?
Ich schlafe vor, dann mache ich.
Arthur, help me out here.
Und hier kommt Schufe. Komm auf.
Let's see what's inside.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, we're looking good. Must be nearly 1,000 here.
Shit! Hey! Think I see something!
Oh, great.
Upsi.
Let's go.
Arthur, let's go!
Komm, Arthur, komm. Let's go. Los. Los.
Hold it right there!
Yeah.
Your goddamn weapon! Right now! Keep on up! Right!
Ah.
Come on! You wicked sons of bitches! Well, nice going, Uncle! Most guarded wagon in goddamn history! How'll I know? Come on, Arthur!
Ja, ich geb Vollgas.
You're going to the dogs! Get back here!
Line us up, boys! Get rid of these sons of bitches!
Yep.
Do not let them get away! Right, boys, come on! Y'all made a big mistake! Where the hell are we going?
Da weiß niemand so genau, habe ich das Gefühl.
What kind of dumb questions? Dig in, boys! Come on!
Stay with me. Come on. Ah! They're still on us!
Get me! Boy!
Yeah.
You can move fast when you have to, can't you?
Just shut up, Williamson! Quick! Get off the trail! Into the woods!
Let's shake him and get back to camp!
No, we need to find a place to lie low. We can't risk leading Cornwall's men to camp.
All right!
Er wüsste ganz genau,
Let's hide in here.
dass wir da recht gebrannte Kinder sind. Oh Gott. Bei diesen Hägen einfach. Haben wir schon ein paar Mal angelegt. Ciao, ciao Pilgrim. Bring dich in
Get out of
Sicherheit.
sight. We'll stay until dark, and then we'll sneak out of here.
Oh Mann, ey.
Charles, you keep watch for now.
Sure.
Well, we, get some rest. All right. Let's try and get out of here. Hey, shit! Absolutely. Well, shut up, old man.
Look, I was just trying to...
Shut up. There's a light over by the house.
Damn. Hey, then let's just keep this calm. See what happens.
I got nothing wrong, mister.
Is this your place? Kinda. And you didn't hear nothing? Why don't you just tell me, partner, what you heard? Go ahead. Tell me what you heard. I don't... Maybe I heard some noises out by the barn a while ago. Ain't me. Better not be. All right. Coop forth. Low. Go check out the barn. Sir.
Oh oh. Oh oh. Schüsse. So rein doch nicht weg. Come on.
Well, the place looks deserted enough.
Sure. You head inside. I'll go round the back.
Oh oh.
Place looks empty to me. Now, the old guy up there is full of crap.
I don't think they're here. Don't see any horses.
Come on, let's head back. Boss! Place is empty!
Shit!
Mann!
Give 'em hell, boys!
Der andere mit der Lampe bewaffnet.
It's your last goddamn roundup! We got more of the bastards on this side!
You're done!
More on the right here! Watch out!
Tschüss.
Is that all you got?
Komm, lad.
This
Kein Muni, kein Muni.
fella really don't like getting robbed!
Let's just hope we don't run out of bullets.
Ich bin verarscht. Da.
Christ alive!
You're in trouble now! Nicely done, Bill. They teach you that move in the army, too? Can't you keep your back feet still for 10 goddamn seconds?
You got us into this!
How about we
Stirbt
stop robbing
er!
Cornwall for a while? I didn't know we was robbing. All right? God damn it, they're piling in this way now.
Happy now, you son of a bitch!
Happy dying.
Watch it, Charles.
This is bad. Where are they all coming from?
Looks like Mr. Cornwall's gone and upped his security.
Pull them back! Do not let them close in on us!
Ain't you glad now I insisted you come along?
50.
Oh, this is it. I'm
Big
officially
thing.
retired. They're coming in from the front. Shit! Fire!
Da hat ja mega lang da angehebt, dass wir nicht auffallen.
Watch it, Charles.
Wir sind langsam da raus, habe ich das Gefühl. Die haben uns
Don't
angezündet.
worry, fellers. We ain't going out like this. No goddamn way.
Why? You got another surefire
Stirb da.
for us, Uncle? If we don't get out of here soon, we're charcoal.
I'll enjoy killing you.
Gehen raus, gehen raus, gehen raus, gehen raus. Kann man da nicht rausrennen?
Jesus, kids! Come on, old man!
Scheiße!
Come on, Arthur!
Los! Los, los, los!
Let's head to the
Lasst euch Zeit. Lasst euch Zeit. Die Zeit haben wir. Menno.
into the trees! Come on!
Hei, 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 hei. Chaoten. Wir sind so ein Chaoshaufen.
Where are we going, Bill?
We'll try to lose him in the woods!
Bill, deine Pläne sind scheiße.
Let's split up a bit. Try to confuse them. Arthur, with me.
Anything dumb, Williamson, you're on your own.
Oh, shut the hell up!
Quick, behind these rocks.
Pückchen.
They're coming this way.
Perfect.
We need to do this quietly. You take the left and I'll take the right, okay?
Your right or my right?
Danke für deine Hilfe.
Uh-oh. Sounds like they got some trouble over there.
We better go give them a hand.
Machen wir grad. So viel Zeit muss sein. Die haben den im Griff. Die haben den Charles dabei. Die haben den Charles dabei. Oh oh. Okay, gehen wir. so ein asozialer einfach. Ich bin so asozial. Der andere ist verdammt zäh, der ist verdammt zäh. Stirb mal. Stirbst. It wasn't me. Oh no. No, man. Charles. Charlie Boy. Machen wir den nochmal. So. Ich mach's jetzt von da aus. Oder nicht. Howdy, Cowboys. Wie viel Mal willst du daneben schiessen? Jesse? Ja. Ja. Geh mal. Hast du gehört? Go to hell, hat er gesagt. So, das mal stirbt keine mehr von meinen Mates. Du kleiner Penner, du. Holy shit. Gib mir deine Muni. Gib mir deine Muni. Und das Geld natürlich. Oder? Passt.
We all still alive?
Yeah.
Just about. Yeah, I'll deal with you later.
We got some money, didn't we?
Sure, but now we got Cornwall on our backs.
It was an
again.
honest
Hey,
mistake.
leave it. Go on, get out of here. Every man split up. Go on, run, quick. Good luck, John.
Du bist doch ein
Stay
Trottel,
quiet
Billy
and
Boy.
move.
Billy. Uncle. Aber hey! Mission abgeschlossen. Läuft. Gut. Gehen wir jetzt noch zuerst looten? Ja, machen wir natürlich. Aufheben. Kopfbedeckung. Da. Aha, geil. Da werden wir noch ganz genau anschauen, wie wir aussehen. So. Wo liegen unsere Kameraden? Pilgrim. Sieht mir nicht heiß aus. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Habt ihr das gesehen? Kopfgeldjäger. Sind die... Oh, das Pferd tut's mir verdammt leid. Sorry. Okay. Stirb, du Schwein! Stirb schneller, Kollege. Stirb schneller, da rauf. Boy. Du kleiner Bastard. Gib mir den Scheiß. Los! Du Hund. Die hat auch das Hirn weggeblasen, hä? Tut mir nicht leid. Sorry, Baby. Ja. Schau da. Ja. Gehen wir ins Lager, Baby. Pilgrim. Oder? Gehen wir ins Lager. Mhm. Ja! Kann man noch plündern eigentlich?
Easy, whoa. You're okay.
Gönn dir. Gönn dir. Kann man die nicht plündern? Komm schon. Du Arsch! Du Penner! Wirst du jetzt bitte beruhigen? So wahrscheinlich nicht. Ja, Mann. Da, und jetzt Gang. Nein, Spaß. Spaß. So, hat mich gefreut. Aber wenn ich jetzt einen blauen Fleck mehr habe wegen dir. Kann man helfen?
Please, friend. You gotta help me out here. Come on, please. I'm about done here.
Was gibst du mir
I'll
dafür?
get these shackles off soon. I'm a goner.
Was gibst du mir dafür?
Please.
Hoi.
This is crazy.
Just shoot the shackles. One bullet. That's all.
Und dann? Was gibst du mir denn?
Everyone deserves a second chance. Come on. Please.
There you go.
Oh, thank God. Oh, well, I've waited to hear that noise for so long.
Yeah, I bet.
I wish I could give you some money or, well, you know, I might have something of interest. Some fat feller and his wife had a pig farm northeast of Rhodes, near the border with Roanoke. Word is he's got piles of money.
You sure I'm the right person for this sort of information?
I ain't saying nothing. Do with it what you will.
Und da können wir sowas von gut plündern. Aber sowas von.